contrast at the moment. Yeah, just adjust the ISO. I shouldn't be really videoing it while I'm doing something like this. It's a bit tricky. But yeah. I put labels mostly all over the cables to tell me which ones which. Some of the labels were missing. I do have cats. Not sure where the other labels are. You know, there's no way they could have got off, but they can slip off. But they can slip off, sort of thing. But no way. My cats were having a go at them. Okay, so I managed to figure out which one goes where. This is very awkward. So I had to plug all the balanced lines in one by one. So it's very awkward. Especially doing it this way. Oh gosh. Oh. 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 I got to take a break. Been down there, I don't know how long I've been down there on the floor. Oh, that is an awkward. Oh, that is awkward. I suppose that's what you get. Oh, I was going to sit down properly. Oh, just give it a while. I'll upload this vid. Oh, got pins and needles. Oh, so next to be putting in the power lead. I've got to push it in very carefully because even if one of those balance wires come off, I'll still be able to pull the rack out and then go behind it and then put them back in. If I had the correct Phoenix freeway with the correct pitch spacing, that is, on the pins between each pin, there's a certain pitch spacing of so many millimeters, but it'll work. If it doesn't, then there must be some fault error wrong with my logic. Yeah, I've got to just wait. God, I've got pins and needles laying down there on the floor like that. Oh, here he comes. I bet it was Sooty having a go at the, wasn't it, Soot? So where are the other labels? I forgot how many labels were missing off the cables there. I'm not sure where the labels are. You could have been playing around with your paws and they could be anywhere. I wouldn't be sure. It might be under the rack. You might have picked them up and played with it. Yeah, I like cats do. Well, then again, I doubt it was magic. I doubt it was magic. Oh. Oh. Meow. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful boy.